If you make your liquid soap like this, you are going to make big profit. And without collecting 1 naira from you, I'm going to teach you how to make it. Remember that the only way to appreciate me is to go to my comment section and comment thank you. Into an empty bowl, you are going to pour some amount of water. Just be patient and watch carefully. Then you are going to add 40 grams of soda ash. Remember that we are doing a transparent liquid soap. Emphasis on transparent. Also, whenever you want to make your liquid soap, ensure that you pour your water into the container before pouring your ingredients. And if you do not know where to get all these ingredients, you can start by commenting where you are watching from. Once you mix that together, you set it aside and bring in another container. Just like we did the first time, you are going to add some amount of water. See, you don't need to be specific with the measurement of water that you are adding. 20 grams of caustic soda is what you are going to be pouring into this water. If you have ever made any mistake while doing your liquid soap, just tell me in the comment section and I might have a solution for you. But if you use this method, if you carefully watch this video till end and use this method, I assure you that you are not going to make any mistake again. So into another empty container, you pour in some amount of water. Everything we are soaking are called soakable ingredients. Now you are going to go with your STPP, 28 grams of STPP. You might be wondering that how about you pour everything into your major production bowl? Listen, the reason why you can't do that is because it is going to form lumps. So it is mandatory for you to soak all the soakable ingredients until it is transparent into another container again. You pour some amount of water and go with your SLS, 40 grams. SLS is like rice. Now don't mix in everything. You wait for everything to dissolve, then you start the major production. Into your major production bath, you pour the remaining water. Now let me tell you one of the major mistakes people do that make their liquid soap always come out watery. But before then, this is Nutriosol 80 grams. You see this Nutriosol, if you are not very careful and fast, it will form lumps. So immediately you pour it into your water, just make sure that you stir it. So if it is your first time making liquid soap, that is why I said I am going to teach you as if I'm teaching a primary 2 student. All you need to do is just to go to my comment section and appreciate me with your thank you. As you are pouring it, make sure that you are stirring it. After stirring till everything dissolves, you go with your dissolved caustic. Let me tell you a secret. As you are pouring everything that you are pouring, make sure that you are stirring very well. Make sure that you stir for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Next is your dissolved soda ash. I tell you one thing, you can save or download this video and follow every step. You will be amazed that you are going to get the perfect results. Next is your dissolved SLS. If you think that I'm a great teacher, how about you go to my comment section and comment paramount thank you. Then your dissolved STPP. You need to always take your time to stir very well. So if you know that you want to achieve that transparent liquid soap, now you go with your Tezapon. 100 grams of Tezapon is sufficient for this production. Remember that we are trying to achieve a 10 kg production. Then your sulfonic 200 ml. If you do not want your production to be watery, you see all your ingredients, calculate everything together, then you minus the liters from the total amount of kg you want to achieve. Now you go with your foam booster 100 grams. Let's say for instance everything gives you 3 kg and you want to achieve 10 kg, meaning that you are going to use water 7 kg. You go with your fragrance, any amount, just make sure that it is not much. If you notice that for everything I pour I stir, that stirring is very paramount. Then you go with your color. You can decide to use any color of your choice, but please use a color that you know that is in the market already, so that you will not be finding it hard to sell your own liquid soap. Once you are done with your production, please don't just cover it. Do not cover your liquid soap. My aim is to help people to go into one business or the other. So if you find my teaching useful, how about you go to my comment section and drop a thank you for me. So after 24 to 48 hours, this is the result that we have. A normal consistency liquid soap, not too thick, not watery, so that you can have good profit. Where is my thank you in the comment section, Joe?